Hello. In this video, I will show you how to install DeepSeek R1. Now, it's a very easy process. So, what if it is? Just when you go to any browser that you have and simply search for a website called Olama, as you can see right over here. Now, open the first link and then go to the downloads folder right over here. Now, depending on the operating system that you're currently using, click on the download option. There will be 3 versions available: macOS, Linux, and Windows. Choose wherever you are and click on download. And once you click on the download option, a zip file will start downloading, as you can see right over here. Now, once the zip file is downloaded, just simply extract it and then it will give you an application like this. Now, once you have this application, what you have to do is go to your application folder and then just drag and drop this inside the application folder like this. Now right click and open it and then wait for a few seconds. And after that, it will give you a command line which will ask you to install Olama, and you will also have to add your password in it. And you will also have to add your password. And then you also have to enter your password as well. Once you have done that and Olama is installed, you will get this little pop-up right over here. And once it's done, again go back to the same website of Olama. Go to the home screen right over here. Click on DeepSeek R1, or you can also search right over here, DeepSeek R1. And right over here, you will have multiple options. You can see, if you click on this drop-down menu, you can choose anything up from 1.5B to up to 32B if you have normal to good systems. But for running the 70 billion model and the 671 billion model, you will need a very exceptionally powerful system to run those two models. So I will not recommend you to run those two models if you don't have a powerful system, because if you try to run them, there is a good chance that your entire system can crash and you might destroy your hardware. So just be safe and just try to use 1.5 to 32B models. So in this video, I will be using the 8 billion parameter model. So click on 8B. Then you will be given this command line right over here. Click on it, or just simply copy it directly over here and then open your terminal. So just simply search for terminal. And if you're on Windows, open the command prompt using administrator. Now once you're in your terminal, just simply paste the command line right over here and hit enter. That will download the necessary models. As you can see right over here, there is the model right over here. Then the 3 more files that are available right over here. So the downloading process will take time, which you can see on the screen right now. So once the downloading is complete, you will be able to run directly. And in order to just simply start Olama, all you have to do is just simply run this command and then you will get this message box. Now remember, in order to get the command box right over here, you will need to run Olama in the background. Let's say, for example, if the Olama is not running and if you try to start the DeepSeek over here, it will instantly fail, as you can see right over here. So it is necessary that you run Olama in the background. Because in the startup, because while your system is starting up, the Olama will not start automatically. You have to start it manually, or you can just simply add this to your startup menu. That will help as well. Now, once Olama is running in the background, just simply enter the command line and wait for a few seconds while DeepSeek is starting. Once you will see this chat box right over here, that means the DeepSeek has started. And now you can chat whatever you want. Let's ask a basic question and just simply hit enter after asking the question, and it will think and then it will give you the answer. Now, in the localized version, you won't be able to see the thinking process over here, but it will give you the direct answer. As you can see right over here, you can even ask different type of questions as well, and it will take some time depending on the question, but it will always give you the answer, as you can see right over here. So it will be a little slower compared to the web version, because it is running locally, and the hardware that you have on your system will also affect the output and the speed of the localized version of DeepSeek, as you can see right over here. Now, the only downside of using DeepSeek using Olama is that you will only be able to use it directly through the terminal over here. So there is also another way that you can try to use DeepSeek using Olama, but with a cleaner GUI. Just ChatGPT. So once this is done, I will show you how to get a cleaner GUI in which you will be able to see and do things much more clearly. So just simply wait for a few seconds till it completes. So once you have the complete output, always remember to end the conversation with DeepSeek using by, and hit enter. And that will end the conversation with DeepSeek. So now to get a cleaner GIU, what you have to do is you have to go to a website called Chatterbox AI. So again, simply go to any of the browser that you have. Then just simply search for Chatterbox. So this is the link, as you can see right over here. Now, what you have to do is you have to just simply click on free download over here. So currently I'm on Mac, so I will be using the Mac version. But if you're on Linux or Windows, you can always use that as well. As you can see, they are also supported, and even a web application too. Now over here, just simply choose which chipset you have, and then start the installation process. So again, it will give you an installer file, as you can see right over here. So wait for the downloading to complete, and after the downloading is complete, just simply install this file. So now just simply hit open, and you will get this installer. Then just drag and drop this to the application folder and wait for a few seconds. As you can see, the application is currently installing. Once the installation is complete, just simply close it and go to the launchpad and open Chatbox. Now quit the terminal first and make sure that your Ollama is currently active at the very top right over here. Now once you will open Chatbox, you will get this pop-up right over here. So over here, what you have to do is click on use my own API key / local machine. Just simply look for Ollama, which should be right over here. Click on it. Now once you'll choose Ollama right over here, it should automatically detect the models that you have. So click on this model option right over here, and it will show you the model that you have. If you have multiple models installed, you will have the list of all the models right over here. Now once you have chosen the model, all you have to do is click on save, and then you should be able to see that the DeepSeek R1 model is now active right over here. If you click on the menu, you will be able to choose different models as well. So now once it is done, just simply use this model. So now once it is done, you will be able to use DeepSeek in this particular platform, just like how you would do it in ChatGPT. All you have to do is just simply enter your prompt right over here, then hit the send option right over here, and it will start the thinking process, and then within few seconds it will give you the answer, as you can see right over here. Now there are multiple ways to get a better GIU. So this is just simply one of the examples, but if you want, you can also use LM Studio if you have an M series Mac. I didn't have that, so I didn't use LM Studio, but if you have an M series MacBook, you can go ahead and use that as well. So from this point on, you don't need to open the terminal or anything like that whenever you will open your computer. Just simply always first go to your launchpad, run Ollama first, then it will be running in the background, and after that is running, just simply open Chatbox, and then it will launch, and as you can see, it will show you the history right over here. And if you ever want to delete the history, you can always click on this 3 dots and delete the current session, or you can directly start a new chat. It will show your history right over here as well, and then you can upload your file. You will also have multiple features right over here, like you can refresh or edit text, you can upload images, you can upload files, attach links, you can even give access to web browser, as you can see right over here, and you also have customization option. And by default, it will automatically choose the model that you currently have or you were using the last time. Then once everything is set, you can just ask whatever you want, and if there is no issue, it will start giving you the answer, as you can see right over here. And if you restart the application, it will work more properly, as you can see right over here. Before, it was not giving you the output in the thinking process, but from now on, it will give you the output in the thinking phase as well, as you can see right over here. That's it, and if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.